It's quite cold and raining. A good time to enjoy a steamboat dinner. But I had early dinner alone at home. I'm Monica. Here are the raw ingredients I prepared: some fresh mixed mushrooms, Chinese cabbage, and a bit of cherry tomatoes, some yellow noodles, prawns, fried tofu, and dried lily flowers. Some appetizers of fried spring rolls and vegetarian sausage. I also prepared simple dipping sauce, just some soya sauce and cut chilies. Chinese steamboat, also widely known as hot pot or huoguo, is a hugely popular and highly social communal dining experience that originated in China and has spread throughout East Asia. The essential setup involves a large pot of simmering broth or stock is placed on a heat source like an induction cooker or burner in the center of the dining table. Diners choose from an array of raw ingredients, typically very thinly sliced meats like beef or lamb, seafood, fresh vegetables, mushrooms, tofu, and noodles, which are arranged around the pot. Each person cooks their chosen items by dipping them into the boiling broth until done. The cooked food is then dipped into a customized sauce, often sesame, peanut, or chili-based sauce for added flavor before being eaten. I'm using electric induction with a normal induction pot. If your kitchen or dining room has no smoke detector, you can use portable burner or charcoal fire to boil the broth. Like in here, you can see I boil the stems of the Chinese cabbage first because they are thicker than the leaves. So this is the way how I usually enjoy the steamboat dinner. And also, I was eating alone, so I didn't prepare too much ingredients for myself. I worried that I could not finish them. I was doing it in the kitchen for convenient purpose. Easier to do the recording. For the raw items, they are flexible. You may include whatever you love. For example, sweet corns, or you may add fish balls, or maybe hard-boiled chicken or quail eggs. Some fish fillets maybe, or some boneless chicken slices. Or if you have time, you can prepare some meatballs if you are not a vegetarian. You may enjoy this steamboat with steamed rice or any dried noodles, or maybe some uncooked dumplings. For the greens, any vegetables are usually okay. Preferable, easy cook and crispy ones like bok choy or watercress. If you have lettuce, it's okay too. Or even some broccoli. Hot pot is cherished not just for the food, but for the interactive and social atmosphere it creates, making it a perfect meal for family or friends gatherings. Regional variations are common, ranging from the intensely spicy and numbing Chongqing or Sichuan style to the milder, meat-focused northern style like Beijing's lamb hot pot. As I don't consume meat, mine is seafood-based broth. If you want more convenient, you may just use tom yum paste to add in the boiling water or just add some dashi powder is okay too. So today we have learned about this popular steamboat Chinese or Eastern Asian meal, which is also called hot pot. I hope today's cooking video is useful and helpful for you. If it is, please rate it, leave a comment, and share it to your friends who love hot pot. If you have not subscribed, hit subscribe button now and switch the notification bell for my next cooking video. Thanks and bye.